welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Danny. I normally create content on green beauty, clean beauty, but today's video obviously is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a video about the Jeffree Star times Shane Dawson palette, the Conspiracy palette. So normally my channel does focus on clean beauty. Me and my boyfriend both were watching the whole Shane Dawson series, so I just thought it would be fun to do a video using the Conspiracy palette. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, and specifically I'm going to be creating a Thanksgiving slash fall makeup look using this palette. So it's gonna have like the oranges, the reds, just stuff that kind of reminds you of fall, hopefully. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So I am starting off with this shade Cheeto Dust. It's really pretty bright orange color, and I'm applying this on the outer portion of the eye, and then I'm also going to apply this to the inner portion of the eye. So I'm kind of just going to be leaving the middle part of the eye empty. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, you don't have to be precise, but I just kind of want to put most of the pigment on the outer part of the eye and then the inner part of the eye. So I'm just doing that on both sides here. Now I'm taking the shade Flaming Hot, which is this really fun bright red color, and I'm just applying this over all of the areas where I put the shade Cheeto Dust, and I'm just doing this to give it some more depth. Now dipping back into the shade Cheeto Dust, I'm applying that over top of Flaming Hot, again just to add even more of that orange color. So I'm just doing that here on both sides. And I am just blending this up all the way to the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Just a Theory, which is this really pretty like champagne type of shade, and I'm just applying this to the center of the area where I kind of left out the eyeshadow, and I'm just mainly just really focusing this on the very middle of the eyelid, but then also kind of just spreading it out a little bit on the eyelid as well so that it's nicely blended. Now I'm just taking a clean, fluffy crease brush and just blending everything out. I want to make sure that I get rid of any harsh lines. Now I'm taking the shade Ranch and just applying a little bit of this on top of the shade Just a Theory. Then I'm going back into the shade Cheeto Dust and just applying this where I originally applied it. Now I'm going in with the shade Ranch, which is this really pretty bright, almost white shimmer shade, and I'm applying that to the brow bone. Now going back into Cheeto Dust, I'm applying this to the lower lash line with a precise brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with a fluffy brush just to kind of smoke this out. Now taking again the shade Ranch and applying this to the inner corners just to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. To finish this eye look, I'm applying mascara, and if you're curious what mascara I'm using, I am using the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara. This is a clean beauty mascara, and I think that this does a really great job at lengthening the eyelashes but also giving them some volume, and I've been really liking it. So this is the finished look. I really had a lot of fun creating it. These shadows, like everyone says, really do have a lot of pigment. They blend really beautifully, and just it's a great palette. It's a really fun palette that you can just create a lot of really fun looks with. Definitely it's a palette where you can kind of get out of your comfort zone if you're not used to doing like bold looks. I'm definitely not, so this is just a fun thing to play around with, just play with color, play with makeup, have fun. This is just really cool to have all of these brighter shades because these type of shades aren't really out there as much, so this is kind of definitely something that's a little bit new and different. So yeah, I think that it's a really fun palette. Also, if you guys want to see more looks using this palette, I am definitely open to doing that, so definitely let me know if you would like to see me do more looks with this palette. So this is the Thanksgiving slash fall eye makeup look. I really hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and of course if you would like to see more content from me, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I post new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.